Meaning of Flower of Scotland.
Flower of Scotland.
Flower of Scotland.
Flower of Scotland.
Flower of Scotland. Flower of Scotland is a Scottish folk song that has become an unofficial national anthem. The lyrics celebrate the Scottish victory over the English army in the Battle of Bannockburn in 1314, and call for Scotland to rise again after centuries of oppression. The song has been used as a rallying cry for Scottish independence movements, and has been performed at many important Scottish events and sporting matches. Its stirring melody and poignant lyrics have made it one of the most beloved songs in Scottish culture.